And today I'm going to introduce you to first AI story generators. So the first one we're going to be looking at is pseudo-write. Now this is, as you can see, it says try the AI writing tool with unparalleled story smarts. Pseudo-write is the non-judgmental AI writing partner you've always wanted. So you can see people have talked about it, a lot of people, interesting people. So blank page, bigger on. This gives you descriptions that paint a picture in the mind without bogging down the story. If you only focus on action and dialogue, writing can feel flat. Describe makes it easy to help your readers connect your character and feel like they are really there. So you can write a novel from start to finish in just 1 week. Story Bible takes you step by step from idea to outline to beginner character chapters and then write 1,000 words in your story in your own style. Now when the word just will come out, Write can do it for you. Write is like an autocomplete on steroids. It analyzes your character's tune and plot arc and generates the next 300 words in your voice. It even gives you options. Now if the pacing is too fast, presto expando. No matter how much time you spend planning, you end up with some sections that feel rushed. Expand magically builds out your scenes so that the pacing doesn't take readers out of the story. Everyone knows it is 10% writing and 90% editing. So you could rewrite the same sentence 100 times, or you could make the computer do it for you. Rewrite, which is a super flexible, infinitely tenacious revision body who always takes direction and doesn't have an ego. So the next we have is all the tools it has. You need an extra pair of eyes. Pseudo-write never sleeps. It has read a million stories and can read yours in 10 seconds. The feedback gives you 3 actionable areas to improve. It won't complain if you make it read just 6 drafts and you never hurt its feelings. So find the perfect word every time. How many clicks does it take to get to the center of a good sentence? 2. So planning makes it perfect. Plan out the characters, everything. Exploit plot points, character arcs, and themes in the magic AI canvas. So this canvas generates alternative plot points, character secrets, and plot twists with you. Hold all your inspiration and reference in one place. So let's brainstorm. It's another aspect again. Find the perfect name, magic item, or title using brainstorm. The infinite yes and body never runs out of ideas. Thumbs up your favorite and it will learn and give you better words. So it helps bring your listen to life, your writing to life, and it is easier when you can see it. So Visual Life brings your character sheets and word building documents to life with AI art generated from your description. For example, here it is. You can see you can insert it into your story if you like. So it's a writing app that should feel like home. You can choose themes and modes. Go full screen or focus mode to keep distractions away. So AI 101, a deep dive on how Sodo writes 14,000 unique pieces of prose per day without plagiarizing, one at a time. It's actually impossible to get the same result twice depending on the input. It uses 2 dozen different large language models which generate general concepts from their training data. The bigger the model, the more complex these concepts can be. So it's so much fun and interesting to use this. Let's look at the next one. If we stay here, we're gonna be here because it's so interesting. Next we have Jasper. Jasper is another great one for writing. So you can write an amazing stuff just using the chat stuff. This is Jasper. It's a chat assistant built and trained for marketers. You can start a free trial or get a demo. So AI that prompts you instead of the other way around. Get the answers you need faster. Unlike generic chatbot, Jasper Chat has been trained specifically on marketing use cases and fine-tuned for specific roles, industry, and best practices, so you can gain a competitive edge built in context. It references your company's knowledge and unique brand, guides them, delivering intelligence that elevates your strategy. It works everywhere you go. So you can easily go from chat to marketing digital at any time. It's really cool. As you can see, if you have anything for it to do, you don't have to start from scratch again. Just chat and tell it what you want. Write a book for me, write this and that, gives you a prompt, and it does the work for you. It's as simple as that. The next on our list is Write Sonic. Now with Right Sonic, you can grow your business on autopilot with AI marketing agents. It's the only SEO and marketing AI agent that connects to essential tools like Ahrefs, Search Console, and HubSpot. Analyzes competitors, creates winning content, and builds custom workflows that drive real results faster than ChatGPT and smarter than the basic AI charts. So it does research and planning, generates, optimize, and publish for you. So you'll be wondering why Write Sonic? Because if you're tired of switching between ChatGPT, marketing tools, and content platforms just to create one piece of content, but Write Sonic unifies free AI chat Sonic, AI article writer, and marketing tools into one powerful platform. No credit card required, you can get started, it's free. It has most advanced AI article writer, connects with your favorite marketing tools, end-to-end marketing solution in a single platform, your brand voice perfectly cloned, choose any AI model you need, analyze any file documents for insights. It's research smarter. You can research smarter with your AI marketing assistant. Like we said, it's beyond basic ChatGPT alternatives. It is a great one. Just say it what you want and to do it. So it has content creation supercharged with Tonic AI. It's really, really, really good. And the SEO works and boosts your search rankings effortlessly using it. Publish everywhere with your AI marketing agent. Security first, an AI agent you can trust, and so much more. Next we have on our list is Retry, RYTR. Some people call it Right. Alright, Right AI generates original and compelling content that sounds like you, not a robot. You can get Right, it's free. You can see people that use it and what they have to say. You can tell it what to do and to do it. A shortcut to stellar content. You can choose from over 40 plus content use cases and templates to streamline your writing workflow. Automatic editing, long form content, and SEO, creative writing, marketing, personal and professional search, and the rest of them. You can see AI also complete text, text editing, continue writing, text inflator, grammar checker, and text improver. AI paragraph generator, reward generator, sentence shortener, and AI command generator. It's recognized by G2 as one of the leading brands in the AI writing space. AI content that sounds like you, not a robot, so it's really good and helps to keep plagiarism in check. Works wherever you go. You can add the extension. You can see it here. Strikingly powerful yet unbelievably affordable. It has a free plan, free forever, no credit cards required. It's what you get. And if you go for the limited plan, you pay $7 for $7.50 per month, and you get a limited generation for individuals getting started with generative AI. Everything in free plus this. So the premium plan in $4.16 per month, you get all this. It's really, really, really good. So stop wasting your time and money on content and copywriting. Just save up to 50 hours and $1,000 per month and get it right. It is free.